Hi, my name is Chris Boudreau, ex-professional athlete. Today I'm here to talk to you about the power rack. Now there are many compound lifts you can use with this amazing rack, but I'm set up here for squats. Now you can adjust to any type of height. Right now it's set up for me, so I'm gonna go right into some front squats. Very smooth lift off with rubber pads. The quality of this machine is really on point. Now squats is one of the highest recommended exercises out there for athletes. Builds the entire body, sweat, gets your whole core going, pumps the free testosterone. It's amazing. Now, notice the rubber pads. No noise, very sturdy, it's very safe. If you want to take it to the next level with that safety, you can also bolt the rack down. Now, moving into the pull-ups. Notice the sturdiness of the rack. Doesn't move. I feel safe, secure. I can really get my pull-ups in, even get my abs going like I'm doing now. It's not shaking. The grip isn't too hard for my hands, doesn't hurt. Amazing, one of a kind. Now, crossbar at the bottom. Get my push-ups in. This allows me to get the full upper body and lower body. And if I want to really take it to the next level, I can add in the spider for my obliques. Now I'm shredding. From compound lifts to pull-ups to push-ups, you can even rack your weights back here on the J-horns for that extra storage. So many features. The next one I'm going to talk to you about is the Landmine. With this, you could do many strength exercises like the single arm row, or you could do one of the metabolic calorie crusher ones like the squat press. I feel my calories running, my fat is burning, my heart rate's really jumping through the roof here. High intensity cardio workout. Another little added feature you could do is securely put on your resistance bands for those smaller muscle groups, like the biceps. It's safe, it's secure, the frame is completely holding it, it's not shaking. I'm good. The power rack can really handle it all. With 800-pound weight capacity, the rubber pads to keep the noise reduction down, this machine is endless, ready to take on anything you're ready to give it. So what are you waiting for?